In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Ultimate Workout Guide. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of exercise and exploring 6 popular exercises that might not be the best choices for muscle growth. So, buckle up and let's get started on our Ultimate Workout Guide. First up, we have the Good Morning Squat. While it can help with hip mobility, there are better options for glute and hip development. Next, let's talk about the Sumo Deadlift. It's not a great choice for posterior chain development and lower back strength compared to other options. Moving on, we have cable pullovers. While they can improve upper back mobility and shoulder health, there are better exercises for lat development. The Barbell Good Morning is another exercise to avoid as it doesn't contribute much to muscle growth or strength. Now, let's discuss banded squats with chains or bands around knees. These exercises are often performed incorrectly and can even cause injuries in some people. Finally, seated cable rows with arms locked out might not be the best choice for overall muscle growth. So there you have it, folks. 6 popular exercises you might want to consider replacing for better muscle growth. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome fitness content. Thanks for watching and stay strong.